So, welcome to another Clojure Diary video. So I was doing an app. I had a situation where I need to filter maps. Okay, so like you have users over here. Uh, so if I just give like okay, like maps having and country is India, name is Karthik, and if I pass this users, only this should get filtered. So that's the thing, right? So for this, I need to write a lot of code. So you can find the explanation in this video, and I will link to this video. I'll link to this blog post. So that's the thing, and you can go through this and all those stuff. And but a user who saw this video seems to have an elegant solution, like, and he had put it over here. So I'm going to discuss that. Okay, so his solution is very terse and really good. So that's the thing. I'm very happy, like he has put it. So yeah, this will also help me to reduce number of lines of code and make my app better. So that's the thing, right? So okay, so you have maps over here. So I just put like users, email, and password. So there are two of them, right? So that's the thing, right? And now I just have this maps having function, right? So that's the thing. And, so now if I just run this code, right? Maps having email, that is email should be a@a.com and password should be a. It returns something, right? So you can just see it. And yeah, if I just change something to this one, like, and if I just run it, I get nothing, right? So how this works? Okay, so over here, okay, he just uses a filter, and to this filter, some function is being passed. Okay, so and this maps has been passed. In this case, it's the uh, users. Right? Okay, so and now I'm just passing this filtering map over here. So this has some filtering conditions. Email should be this one, and password should be this one, right? So over here, this itself is a function, right? So over here, I use every, and every works like this. Okay, if I just put like everything is even over here, no, that's not even like okay, like 3 is odd, 1 is odd, 5 is odd, so that's the thing. But if I just put everything is even over here, it's true, right? So this one returns true only if okay, I just take each and every key value and over here this one returns okay, this function just compares, okay, that is this okay, for this email a@a.com, it compares with this one, whether this email is also a@a.com, so it is true. And similarly, it compares password, this is also true. Okay, so and so for this thing, for the first element it's true, right? So this one returns true for the first element. So this email a@a.com and password a gets filtered. Uh, And what happens is for this one, of course, the email itself fails. So this one returns false. So the every stuff returns false, right? So and hence the second value does not get filtered and just gets thrown away. So a very elegant solution, and I'm just happy. And this also tells me like how much I don't know about Clojure, right? So that's the thing, right? And he also presents some other solutions, submap. Okay, so there is a thing called select keys, right? So let's say like if I just have something like okay, A is 1 and B is 2, so this is a map. And if I just want to select the keys A, right, I will get a submap of A is 1. So if I have something like A1, B2, C5, and if I just select A and B, I'll just get a submap. So that's the thing, right? So, or a subset. Okay, so over here in the submap, what it does is it selects the subset. Okay, so this one is a filtering map. So over here, all the keys are being taken. Okay, and now with the select keys, we are just selecting the subset of what to say, the keys of M1 from M2. So, and now you're just comparing whether they are equal or not. And if they are equal, the submap will return true, right? So that's how it is. Uh, and over here, what he's just doing is, okay, like he's just putting a filter. right? And he is constructing a partial with this submap. Okay, so a partial is another function, like okay, right? So a partial actually returns a function, right? So how a partial works is like this. Okay, so you have okay a partial over here and star 100. So it actually returns a function. Okay, like where if you give more arguments to this, okay, like the 100 times can accept more arguments, but imagine that these arguments are put after this 100. So if you have this 456, it will be rewritten as star 100 and 456. Okay, so and you'll get this output. Okay, so star 100 456. What is that value, right? So star 100 456. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so you're just constructing a function over here with the submap and n, and now you're passing maps over here, right? So that's how this works, right? So each and every element of this maps that needs to be filtered, that is this users, will be appended over here, right? Okay, after this one, right? And if it's true, it gets retained, otherwise it gets passed out. So I'm just putting it like, okay, maps having submap. Okay, like okay, like maps. Okay, first let me just load this into my Ripple. Submap is being loaded. Maps having submap. Okay, yeah. So this is okay. This is a very odd. Okay, instead of just putting maps having, yeah, this is using submap function. Yeah, just name this function like this. It's a very odd name, but I'm sorry about that. Right. Okay. So and now I'm just giving the filter condition and users. So I just get it. So this is how it works. Okay. So right. So now this function is there, right? So maps have it, right? So I'm just renaming it as maps compare. And instead of this equal to, I'm just passing a filtering function. So something like compare function. And instead of equal to, I'm just putting it over here. So I can just do something like map greater than. Okay, so like okay, let me just put like maps compare, right? So map greater, right? So now I can just put something like okay, like A is 20, B is 50, and whether it's greater than this one. And it should be, because for each and every key, the compared okay, the corresponding values in the keys in the second map are lesser, which means this map is greater than this map. So it'll get filtered out. Okay, so something like that. And similarly over here, right? Okay, so over here only one gets filtered out. Okay, so like definitely the C12 is greater than C10. So that means like the C10 is less than C12. So uh okay, this doesn't stay in the filter. It just goes off, and only we get this one being filtered. Okay, so that's the thing. So filter means, yeah, we are getting it as output, right? So yeah. So yeah, so this is another example, right? Okay, so over here C is 10 and over here C is 12 and 30. So yeah, it would work. Okay, so that's the thing. Right? So this is how, okay, so this is a very, very elegant solution. I'm just happy like a user has helped me. And it will make a better software. It will make me a better software developer. Anyway, thanks for watching this Clojure Diary, and please do suggest more so that I can learn Clojure better. If you have any doubts in Clojure, you can also put that. Maybe I'll try to make a video about it, and maybe I can learn Clojure better from it. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and thanks to Mr. Okay, Cameron, and I can't spell this one. So Mr. Cameron, I'm very, very much thankful to you, and yeah, thanks for your comment. Until we meet in next project I video. Bye.